Hey, Dr. Brett.
Hey, Ashley.
You work with a lot of teenage athletes.
Yes.
What is the most common issue you're seeing with them this generation?
It's not just this generation, but this generation would be more TikTok, Instagram, YouTube scrolling, and social media, bullshit, right? But in particular, most people are struggling with self-confidence and, at certain times of their life in certain areas, whether it's on the field or off the field or both. And so we're always dealing with some form of self-confidence and some form of self-expression, and that's part of what makes you a better athlete too. Because when your relationships are on point, you get in that batter's box and you're more focused.
And then when you see, this is a different question, but when you have an athlete, how do you know to tell them, listen, man, you got to transfer, I don't know what you have to do, but you got to go. Because this environment is not healthy for you. Like, you know what I mean?
We're dealing often with situations like that.
Yeah.
One of the kids that I've been coaching for a while is on his way to Europe because the coaches just didn't fully appreciate him, and he had a series of tough conversations, and he made a really tough life decision to let go of college for now at the D1 level and go play professionally in Europe. It's a great decision. It's courage. It's creativity. He's going to win. He's going to win, because he's not staying stuck and letting, he's basically taking control.
It takes a lot of courage, obviously, to leave college, go to Europe. How do you even begin to take that first leap in knowing it's going to be okay?
Well, that's sort of the process, isn't it, right? That's how you start in little steps. That's part of the reason why